Raceway on a Roll, which is a low-profile and paintable surface mount wire raceway system. It is used on installations where minimum presence of wires are required. Raceway on a Roll is ideal for wiring security systems, telecom and datacom, and home theater installations. It comes in a compact, easy to store and carry, pizza-sized box dispenser, available with up to 100 feet of raceway per box. To open, use a knife and cut the perforated edges on the top side of the box. Then the raceway can be pulled to begin dispensing the desired length as you apply it on the surface. Cut the length you need with PVC cutters. To assemble, fold the edge closest to the blue tape until you form a J shape. Peel off the blue tape and apply firmly to the surface. Place the wire in the channel and firmly snap close the raceway.